Hello, my name is Erika Lorena Rivera Rivera. I am 24 years old and I am in the sixth semester of Industrial in Energy. Next, I want to tell to you about the environment. The environment and natural are vital aspects of our world, providing us with resource beauty, an essential service. However, they are facing significant change due human activities such as the deforestation, pollution, and climate change. Forests, for instance, play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of the planet by absorbing carbon dioxide, producing oxygen, and providing habitat for countless species, yet rampant deforestation continues to the invaluable ecosystem, leading to loss of biodiversity and contributing to the climate change. Polluting both on land and inner oceans, posing another pacing issues. Plastic waste, chemicals, protein, and air pollution not only harm but also injure human health. The need for sustainable practices and renewable energy sources have never been more urgent. Climate change is perhaps the most urgent environment crisis we face. Rising temperature, extreme weather events, and melting ice cap are evidence of the profound impact of human activities of the planet. Mitigation and adaptation strategies are essential to the project vulnerable communities and ecosystems. Despite these changes, this is hope conversation for Riverway Energy, Infinite Apes, and Awareness Company are making and differences. Individuals, communities, and governments must work to the present and result of environment of future generation. In conclusion, uh, safeguarding the environment and respecting natural are not just ethical imperatives but necessities for the survival of life on Earth. Let us take responsibility and take action to the project of the planet and ensure a sustainable future. Thank you.